Hello students, how all of you are doing? I hope you are doing well and you have been doing great in your classes. So welcome back to our another class 4 subject, Maths. And today we are going to study on Unit 7, page number 52-53. Parts of body counting in twos up to 10. So we are going to learn about parts of body, how we count parts of body counting in twos and fives, about parts of body. So as you can see here, so how many hands do we have? How many hands we have in our body? So we have two, 1, 2. So we write down 2 hands. How many eyes? 2 eyes. So same like grouping in twos. Grouping in twos mean one group, two things. Like one group, 2 hands, we can circle it, 2 hands, one group. 2 eyes, one group. That means counting in twos up to 10. So how many ears we have? 1 and 2. So we have 2 ears again. 2 ears, one group. So 2 ears, we have one group. How many legs we have? How many legs? We have 2 legs. 1, 2. So 2 legs, one group. So this is all about parts of body, counting parts of body. So like, okay, now coming on to grouping in 5. How many fingers we have in one hand? We have 5 fingers in one hand. You can see, you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can draw one more here. Oh, okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 fingers in one hand and another hand 5 fingers. So how many fingers in 2 hands? 10 fingers. Okay, so 5 fingers, one group. One more 5 fingers, one group. So 10 fingers, 2 groups. So 5 fingers, one group. That means grouping in 5s. So as you can see on your book, so here is a full body picture. So we counting body parts in twos. So 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 feet. So that means counting body parts in twos. So this is it in our first video. I will see you in the next video, and be ready to do your task, do your activity. Be ready with your textbook, notebook, pencil, eraser and sharpener. I will see you in the next video. Hello students, welcome back to second video for our today's class. Today we are learning about counting in twos up to 10 and parts of bodies. How we count parts of bodies. Like I explained you in the last video. So how many hands we have? We have 2 hands. So we are counting in twos. So how many eyes we have? 2 eyes. And how many ears? 1, 2. So how many shoulders? 1, 2. So we are doing counting in twos. So 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 feet. Okay. So next is your task 1. So coming on to your task 1, your task 1 is on page number 52. So I can show you on your book. Task 1, page 52. Okay, so you can see you have how many people here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 people here. So here are the questions. So there are how many legs altogether? How many legs altogether? Okay. And how many hands altogether? Okay. And how many eyes altogether? How many ears altogether? So write down the numbers here in this box. Next, task 2. Task 2 is on page number 53. So task 2 is on page number 53. Trace over the outline of the other half of the body. So first you need to do, you see dotted lines, so you need to trace with the pencil. So trace with pencil, draw the missing parts and color the parts which are in groups of 2s or 5s. So draw the missing parts. Okay, so you trace this first, draw. So what are missing here? One eye and ear. So one eye, and you can see half of the lips are missing. So draw lips, nose, eyes and ear, and then color the parts which are in group of 2 and 5. Okay, so now you need to color the parts of body which are in group of 2, like 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 arms, 2 legs, okay, 2 eyes, 2 ears, okay, and you can also color fingers. Okay, so this is your task 2. Next, task 3. Task 3 on page number 54. Number each finger from 1 to 5 on each hand. Start with 1 for the thumb. So number each finger. When you say number each fingers, mean you write down numbers. So write down numbers on each finger. Start from thumb here. 1, 2, and then complete. Okay. After you do done here 5. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then count how many fingers all together. So there are, write down number here, fingers all together. So this is your task 3. So if you will have any doubts, any questions, I will be there to help you with your tasks. Okay, so you can ask me anytime, feel free to ask me. So I'll be there to help you. And also this is the end of our second video. I will see you in the last and third video. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today's class. So as you know, third video is always about homework. So before I give you homework, I would like to explain one more time. So today we are learning about parts of body counting in 2s up to 10. Like which part of bodies we have in 2s, like 2 hands, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 arms, 2 shoulders, 2 legs and 2 feet. Okay. So coming on to your homework, so your first homework is on page number 55. So as you can see, some body parts here. Circle in 2s. Circle in 2s like I did here. See, you can see 2 hands, 1 circle, 2 eyes, 1 circle. So you need to do the same here, like here, 2 hands, 1 circle. So do the rest with all of the pictures. Like here, be careful when you do this one. So you have 4 legs. So circle 2, 2. Okay. Next, your next homework is on page number 56. 56. This boy is doing the leapfrog. See, you can see leapfrog. Count the number of fingers and toes and write the numbers in the circles. Do the same for the frog. Okay. So count the number of fingers. Fingers, hand fingers. Toes, fingers on your foot. Okay. So toes and fingers. So count the numbers. Okay, and write down numbers here. Next. Next homework, page number 57. 57. Join a cookie to each finger. So you have 5 cookies, 5 fingers. So join a cookie to each finger. Join with the line, draw a line to join. Now circle the cookies in 5s. So now grouping in 5s. So 5 cookies, 1 group. Okay. Mean 5 cookies, circle 5 cookies in 1 group. Okay. Next, page number 58. Your next homework is on page number 58. There are 2 rows of teeth. Teeth, we all have teeth in the mouth. So there are 2 rows of teeth. Number each row of teeth from 1 to 10 and count in groups of 5s. How many groups are there? So you need to number from 1 to 10. So start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So same here. So 10 teeth above, 10 teeth below. Brush them right side to side. Brush them now up and down. Okay. So there are blank groups of 5. So how many teeth altogether? And then how many groups of 5? Remember, 5 teeth, 1 group. So you need to write down how many groups of 5s. So this is your last homework. So first on page number 55, next 56, next 57 and 58. Okay. So if you will have any questions, any doubts, I will be there to help you with your homework. And before we start, so please submit your homework. And that's it. This is the end of our today's class. I will see you on Thursday. Take care. Be safe.